Hello, my name is Prajin, and I'm going to be talking about a book called Animal Farm, which is a very good book. So, as you guessed, Animal Farm is set in a farm called Manor Farm, and in Manor Farm there's a pig named Mater. But old Mater, has a dream of a rebellion. So one day he teaches all the animals the song Beasts of England and his dream of the rebellion. 3 days later, he passes away in his sleep, peacefully. Then 3 days after that, when the alcoholic owner Jones and his friends forget to feed them, they break out of the fence and help themselves. But Jones and his friends come up with whips. So they fight back, and chase them out. Snowball has got injured and plans to build a windmill. But Napoleon says no, does a thing to all of his plans, and chases him away. So it turns out, according to Napoleon, that the windmill was actually his idea, but Snowball was trying to get the credit. So then after that, they built the windmill because he said it was a good sign. But it got destroyed by thunder, so they built it again. But then it got exploded in the War of the Windmill. When the third time they built it, it was close to the end of the book and something terrifying happened. By then, Boxer had fainted and been taken to the slaughters instead of the vets. And the 7 commandments, which had happened when the humans were kicked out, were now changed completely. And now the pigs wore human clothes and carried whips with them, hurting their own kind. And one day, the readers and all the animals came to know the horror that the pigs were doing. They looked like humans. You couldn't tell who was a pig, who was a human. And they struck a deal, changing Animal Farm to Manor Farm. And that was like its old name. That was its old name. So what I liked about the book was it was from an animal's perspective and not the usual humans. What I didn't like was the sad ending and the betrayal, so I think they could improve on the really sad ending and the betrayal. Very sad betrayal. And Snowball also betrayed. He had been in league with Mr. Jones ever since the start. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.